Today I'm taking out the VEVOR tool backpack. Okay, that is a nice big backpack. So it does come with instructions. Ours is the 0311, so it's 380 by 230. It has 56 pockets, black, gray, and orange on the inside. It says this is polyester Oxford fabric. Definitely a large size backpack. So if you need to handle a lot of large stuff, that's going to be an excellent option. One of the things that I like about tool backpacks is that you can put all your tools in it, but then they also usually have room where you can stick something like a motor in there. So that way if you have to carry a motor up a ladder or something like that, instead of trying to hold it in one hand, climb the ladder one-handed, or like strapping it around yourself somehow, you can usually just throw it right in this backpack. So we got 3 loops right here on the front. We have a zipper pouch, and that does go all the way to the bottom. We have a flap here on the front, and that is adjustable, so you can put large objects in there. And we got another Velcro pouch here on the top. This actually has a nice soft cushion material in here, so you could probably throw, yeah, phone can fit in there, no problem. On the left side, we've got 4 long pouches that go all the way down. So if you got a real long screwdriver or something like that, we can put that in there. We got a nice large pouch right there. We also have a USB port, so I assume we're gonna be able to plug our laptop in on the inside. We got duplicate pouches here on the right side, as well as a measuring tape here. And this is one thing I like to see. So we actually have a full mesh here on the back. You don't have to worry about your back sweating whenever you're gonna be wearing this for a long time. You do have a clip on there, so if you're like me, backpacks have a tendency to want to fall off of my shoulders. We have very close to our neck right here on the top, and we have a clip, so we don't have to worry about that with this backpack. So here is where these backpacks have a tendency to shine. We have got a ton of pouches here on the inside. Now that can be great for tools, but it can also be great for things like if you have a lot of technical gear. So if you've got a laptop or something like that, we do have a spot for that here in the back. So it actually got a spot for 2 laptops if you want to do that. So here I got a big 17-inch laptop. Yeah, and that fits in there with plenty of room to spare. And then if we got a bunch of different types of cables, so if we got SATA to USB, RJ45, maybe we got a bunch of different little hard drives. If you're like me, you got a ton of little things, you want to have them all in their own individual spots instead of just one big jumble, these things are fantastic for that. So this one is actually removable. So we got some cushion there on the back. And this is neat, it actually comes with a TSA lock. So what that means is if you're going to be traveling with this guy, you can lock that up and you're going to be able to pass the TSA with this. So we got a lot of room here in the middle, and we also have a hard bottom on there. So it's kind of like a rubbery plastic. That way if we need to drop this guy down, it'll actually mostly stand itself up, depending of course if you put too much weight here on the front of the back. We got these holders here on the side. You could take your motor, drop it in there, zip that guy up, climb up that ladder, have a spot for all your tools, and you'll be good to go to make that change out. So that's pretty awesome. So on this insert, we got a bunch of pockets on both sides. We got a ton of these little tiny pockets for screwdrivers and driver bits, that kind of thing, or even just USB sticks. We got this bungee cord here on the top and 9 pockets here on the front. Now what's neat about that is that it is kind of hidden back there. So if you got something important, even something that might need charge, we can throw that behind here, clip this guy up, and even if we open this guy up, it's not going to be totally obvious that that's going to be in there. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more pockets right here on the front, and we have this clear pouch here on the inside. So if there's something you want to throw in there and you want to make sure that you know exactly what's in there, you got that as that option. So this is my second tool backpack. First one is still lasting. It's one of the great things about these. They make these out of material that is more heavy duty than your standard like school backpack. Of course, we have very good stitching all the way around. We have a lot of stitching right here on the top for our top handle. And overall, this is just a much more useful style of backpack. Oh, and I didn't even notice this. So we actually got 4 more loops there on the left. So just as a quick example of how things would fit in here, I've got everything that I would normally keep on me. Plus, I got a ton of extra room still left over. So I got a row of screwdrivers. I got all my pliers and nips and cutters and crimpers and that kind of thing in there. I've got a bunch of extra stuff that I would not be able to normally keep on me. Tiny little screwdrivers and screw starters and that kind of thing. I got a ton of extra room inside of here. I've got wrenches over on that side. I normally keep SAE on me, so I could probably do the same thing with metric over there. And I got all these pockets are still free, and I got a spot for a laptop in the back. So overall, if you need to carry a lot of tools, you're working at a job site, I also just love the way that this thing doesn't just fall over, even when you got a majority of the way here on the front. That's just a very well designed backpack. With this thing being all orange on the inside, it makes it a lot easier to see what's actually in there, so light can reflect off and you can look in, rather than it being all black and then having to get a flashlight to actually see what's in there. There are just a lot of good things about this guy. So overall, I'm very happy with that.